Hi, everybody. We are going to be talking today about, continuing our discussion on XY tables and specifically graphs. So if we're looking today here at an IXL topic, I want you to take a look at it. This is U7 in 7th grade. This is just sort of reviewing some of the things we're going to be talking about. But last week, we introduced the idea of an XY table. We talked a little bit about graphing different points. Some people were using Desmos, which I'll actually bring up here to sort of show you. And on a graphing calculator, or really any sort of graph thing, you're going to, oh, here, I gotta make sure I'm human. What you have to do is basically make sure that the X and Y values follow the rule. We were talking about rules and how most XY tables have an equation that serves as the rule. So in an XY table with an equation, it's just pretty much plugging in the information you have. So if we're looking back at IXL, this example here, it says this equation describes a relationship between X and Y. Here's the equation. It says Y equals 3X, meaning Y equals 3 times X. Complete the table and select a graph that shows this relationship. Okay, well, that means every time we're given a value, like for example, X, or sometimes even Y, we have to plug it back into the equation and see if we can solve to find the missing piece. Now here it says if X equals 0, Y equals 0. Okay, yeah, because 0 equals anything times 0. If X is 1, I plug that in. 3 times 1 is, of course, 3, and that's how I get the 3 for Y. But now what if X is 2? When I take this 2 and plug it in here, 3 times 2, of course, is 6. So that means that I would say Y equals 6 for this, because 3 times 2 is 6. Then, of course, 3 times 3 is 9. But the second part is looking at these two equations, or these two lines, I should say, which one matches the values that you just put in there? Well, 0, 0 is right down here in the corner at the point of origin. So right off the bat, I like the look of this second line. But let's just double check some of the other points. Next line in the table says 1, 3. Well, if I go right 1 and up 3, we're looking pretty good so far. 2, 6. 2, up 6. Yeah, and then 3, 9, right 3 and up 9. Okay, I'm definitely thinking it's that second line now, especially because this next line here, 0, 2, 1, 3 is on there, but like 2, 4, 3, 5, yeah, I don't think so. So it's definitely this line. All right, so excuse me here.